Hello. Well, you know that I like to share any bargains, interesting things that I find. I like to, give you my opinion, and I thought I would share these with you. Okay, these are XL wireless EarPods. Truly wireless. Okay, now I got these from souk.com, and with shipping they cost 55 reals, and I just think that they are an absolute bargain, and they are very, very decent. These are called XL and the model is Soul 1. And now I think I got them on souk.com and they were on a special offer, so I'm not sure what the final price is, but it's worthwhile to check out. So I'll just read the specs because I'm not sure what it means. Version 4.2 plus EDR, support agreement, HSP, HFP, A2DP, AVRCP. I think they're just making that up. Frequency response 2.4 gigahertz. Distance, operational distance 10 meters. Talk time 6 hours. Music time 5 hours. Standby time 120 hours. And they have a 60 mAh battery. So, and they have some kind of noise cancellation technology. It says gives you crystal clear conversation. So these can be operated, and they're very easy to pair. These can be operated as a single if you just want to use for your phone purposes, or hold on, let me see if I can show you here. It's not easy to see. So yeah, this one, I think it's this one. Yeah. So this is the main one. It's actually not that easy to see, but I'll try and show you with the camera. Okay, so there you go. This one this is the control one, so you can use this for single Bluetooth for your phone, or you can power them both on, or you can power them both on individually. Now, the only thing that I don't like about them is that I wish that they were powered by like micro USB, something like that, but it's not. It's some kind of proprietary like pin that you plug in here. It's a very small hole. I don't know if you can see it there, but pin goes in there, there, and then it's plugged in. It has a USB on the other side. That's the only thing I don't care about, because if you lose that, then you're kind of stuffed. But apart from that, they're very, very light. Now, you get a choice of, in the box, if you can see here, you get a choice of sizes for the silicone for your ears, and there's also for sports the one that you can see here actually. So this one is the one for say if you were in the gym, etc. You can use that one, fit it in your ear. It's less likely to come out. Now I've kind of used the biggest sizes here for my ears. Now I don't think I have big ears. Perhaps I do. Is that why they call me Dumbo? Anyway, I use these. I find that these, when they're placed properly, these fit really quite well. And look, one of the when I first saw, probably it was the Apple AirPods, when I first saw Bluetooth ones without some kind of cable attaching them, I'm thinking it's going to be really easy to lose. What if it falls out or something? Now, I found that these are quite difficult to fall out, but yeah, they're still going to be very easy to lose, especially you leave them out in the house somewhere. It's not that easy, so one would have to be very careful. But for the price, okay, they're not 600 reals or something, whatever the Apple AirPods are, and I am using these with iPhone, and they work perfectly. Now, what was the most surprising thing about these is the sound. Look, I think the sound is really very, very decent for 55 reals. I think it is really, really very decent. Now, just on normal settings on your phone, I found that they're very toppy. So, the highs were a bit, not tinny, but just a bit grating. But if you go into your EQ settings and you kind of fiddle about, and just bring it down a wee bit, you can get it to have just a very nice sound. Now, I don't like really heavy bass, and they don't have it. If you fiddle around a wee bit, you can get a kind of really good balance between just enough bass, the mids and the highs just not enough to really grate on you, and you can really blast these. The sound, I think, is really, for 55 reals, is really, really very decent. So you should check them out if you're looking for a cheap pair of Bluetooth. Now, I can confirm that I've paired them with 2 Android phones and iPhone X, and I've had absolutely no problems whatsoever. They paired pretty, swiftly, no issues. Battery life, now I can't tell you exactly because I've not played them continuously, but again, I have not had any issues with them, and the battery life seems to be pretty decent, given the size of these, and obviously the battery inside these can't be that big. So again, don't be expecting all day use, but I think that's pretty decent. But the most important thing is the sound. Now, for me, rather than looking at AirPods, which I think look pretty stupid, I don't care what anybody says. I just don't. I think that's pretty stupid. Plus, they haven't changed the shape of the the pod part that goes into your ear, so it's just really the same shape as the wired Apple earphones, which I don't like, and this is why I bought these, because I'm using, you can't see it here, but I'm using the iPhone X, and I hate the Apple earphones. They're just crap. So these fit a lot better. Now, I'm not going to say that noise cancellation is totally brilliant. Remember, this is 55 reals. It's not Bose or Sony noise cancelling over ear headphones. They are 55 real. I've never heard of this brand before, XL. So, manage your expectations, but for the price, and also for their relative unobtrusiveness, which means they're pretty subtle in the ear, they're not massive. I just think these are a really, really good buy. So anybody out there in the market looking for a subtle pair of wireless earphones that don't really have a cable on them, really worthwhile considering these. For the price, you cannot go wrong. The only caveat being, any of these types, it would be easy to lose the one or the other. So I just wanted to share that with you. I do have another pair of Bluetooth ear. I don't know why I ended up having 2, but anyway, I will review them as well, because it's got something to say about them as well. So that's it for these. Anybody got any questions, etc., just the usual, leave a comment. I will do my best to answer for you. That's it. XL Soul 1, truly wireless. Bye.